Hello everybody, it's Mimi from Time for the Holidays, and just want to let you know that July is National Blueberry Month and July 11th is National Blueberry Muffin Day. So I hope that you guys can all enjoy a muffin today, whether you bake it yourself or get to a bakery and buy one. Hope you can get one today. North America produces nearly 90% of blueberries. Maine is the largest producer of blueberries. So it's time to use up some of those blueberries and make some blueberry muffins today. Happy National Blueberry Muffin Day. Here's a recipe card for you with a recipe for blueberry muffins that you can just copy off of here or our blog on National Blueberry Muffin Day. Or you can buy it in our gift shop on Zazzle along with some other fun blueberry muffin merch. And I just want to say thank you for supporting this channel by watching these videos, liking them, subscribing, and all that. You're supporting my art. So I just want to say thank you very much. I enjoy doing it, and I hope that you guys enjoy it too. Have a great day. Bye-bye.